Configure IPv6 addresses on Cisco routers. As you can see on our lab, it's the same lab that we used the last time. All I did is I just add these IP addresses. I wrote them down here, but I have not configured it inside the routers. So what I will do is I'll go inside each router and configure this IP address, and we will do some verification, and we will take them out because this is a manual way of doing it. Then we will do auto. Then we will have new IP addresses, IPv6, but it will not be this one, it will be new one. Yeah, so we will see all that configuration. Let's go and start it. Okay, let's console in first. Okay, where is it? Yeah, here. So as you can see, this is just continuation from the last lab. I have not restarted the routers. They have the same configuration. So let's go to global configuration mode, start with config T, and we need to enable the functionality of IPv6 on this router before we start with it. So the way you do it is IPv6 unicast, yeah, and enter. Now you have the functionality enabled. You need to go inside the interface, and the interface is gigabit 0/0. And every time you're doing anything with IPv6, you always start with IPv6. And for our case now is the address, so we will use this address 2000.db8 semicolon 0 semicolon 12, and there was consecutive zeros there. So what I will do is I will just use semicolon 1/64-bit and enter. Now I assign the IP address. I need to just put shutdown. I know it's not shut down, but I'm just making sure. I did configure on our lab. I did finish configuring this side. I need to configure this side now. So let's go to R2 and do that. Let's go to global configuration mode, to configure terminal, and enable the functionality of IPv6 IPv6 unicast routing. And you need to go inside the interface 0/0 and start with IPv6 address and put the address that was assigned to it. So in our case is 2001 semicolon db8 semicolon 0 semicolon 12, okay, and 2/64, enter. Okay, so once we do that, we'll just be sure no config and go out of it. Let's do some show commands. The way you do show commands is you don't do it this way, show IP interface, no, you put show IPv6 interface brief. So everything that you do with IPv6, you put IPv6. This is a link local, so that is assigned automatically, but this is the address that we assign manually. Yeah, so if we go to R1 and go out of it, show IPv6 interface brief, we will see the same result that we put in. So now let's just bing the other side. Yeah, so bing, you don't put any IPv6 in front of it, you just put bing. So routers are smart enough to know that you are binging IPv6, so we'll just put number 2 there, and it's success, as you can see. If we go to the other side and do the same thing, bing, and whoops, okay, let me just copy this bit because I don't want to write it down again, and put 1 there. It should be success. Okay, so now we succeeded. What we're going to do is we are going inside the interfaces. We're going back. We are in router 2, so let's go back to the interface and disable the IP address of IPv6. Yeah, if I just keep going up, eventually I will get there. Then I will put in the beginning of the address, I'll put no, and that address is gone. And what I will do is I will go to the other side as well and do the same thing quickly. Hope you following me what I'm doing, and I'll just use the arrow up because I don't want to write it down again, and put no in front of it. Okay, so now if I do show IP in IPv6 interface brief. Yeah, there's no IP address on that interface. IP version 6 address. There is IP version 4 address, but not IP version 6. I did use the command do. So if you are in any mode of the router, you can always use do command and use show command after it, and it will work for you. But if you don't do show and you just do and you just use show IP interface brief, it will not work. Yeah. So okay, moving on. Now we need to automate the process of assigning IP addresses to addresses, and all we need to do is we need to just choose this. So it will auto config for you automatically. It will obtain auto configuration. So auto, yeah, config, enter, and let's go out of it and show IPv6 interface brief. Okay, yeah, and it did give us automatically the IP address. So why I bounced earlier is, yeah, because I want to go back up here and show you there was nothing assigned to it once we just put that command no in front of it, and we didn't have any IP address. Now this is auto configuration IP address, so it just give you auto configuration IP address. On the other side, we can do the same thing and say IPv6 address auto, and it will give you IP address, IPv6 address, or IP interface brief, and it generated IP address for you there. It actually put your MAC address in the middle. There's a 3 F's in the middle of your MAC address from here. Yeah, so that's all about it. Thanks for watching.